taste of that. Fantastic. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please click that bell icon below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see, just finishing off with a little bit of cilantro or coriander. We're making a really easy but absolutely delicious potato curry. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Not a lot to it actually. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So potatoes, as you saw, peeled and chopped. Tomatoes, try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato, and onion chopped. I'm using red. Over there we've got what I always call the big four, so that's equal parts, like a teaspoon each, of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander powders. In there I've got a nice tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Some fresh chilies, I've got like 3 or 4 kind of regular sized chilies. There I've got some cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add some salt and maybe a little bit of garam masala powder. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so nothing to this one, it's really simple. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. If you wanted to use something different there, we're going to drop in those cumin seeds, and just for a few seconds we're going to let them do their thing. They'll infuse that oil and give it a lovely flavour. Of course, you could be adding different things like green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, you know, dried chilies, fennel seeds, fenugreek. You know, the combination of whole seeds you can put in there is enormous, pretty much endless. But yeah, we're just going to go with these cumin seeds or jeera. What we're going to do now is add our potatoes. In they go. And we're going to add our onion. And we're on a fairly lively heat, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Keep this moving. So that's about 4 minutes. These potatoes are still really hard, but just starting to come together. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some salt in there, a bit of salt in the mix. We're then going to add our garlic ginger paste. We're now going to add our powders. Let's just take a look at those again, shall we? Equal parts coriander, turmeric, cumin and chili powder. In that goes. Really lovely vibrant colours now from the spices. Chop in that fresh chili, and then we're going to add our tomatoes. Try and always, like I say, use a nice fresh, ripe, juicy tomato. Okay, staying on this vibrant heat, let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, 2 minutes later, and already we're getting a little bit of moisture coming from those tomatoes, which is exactly what we want to do. What I'm going to do now is add a little bit of water in there. Stick a bit of water, like a regular sized glass. Stay on this lively heat. We're going to get a lid on this and we're going to let it go for about 4 to 5 minutes. What we're actually looking for is the tomatoes to break down and give off some more moisture that will make a beautiful masala or gravy for us. See you in about 5 minutes. Okay, let's jump inside and take a look here. Right, now that's looking fantastic. Just the right amount of water or gravy or masala. Don't want it swimming around in there. Now those potatoes are still not ready. So what we need to do now is put that on a, not a simmer, just above a simmer. And let that go until your potatoes are ready how you want them. For me it's going to be about 6 to 7 minutes, but that'll give it enough time for it to really come together and all those lovely spices penetrate our potato. Okay, let's turn off the heat. Let's get that lid off. Let some steam out. And that is looking absolutely wonderful now. Really, really wonderful. Those potatoes are just where I want them to be. We're going to add now, as I said earlier, a nice hefty pinch or two of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is like a kind of finishing spice. If you don't know how to make it, we've got it on the channel, you can check it out. Little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander. And that is done. Check that for salt, you might want to add a bit more. It's fine for me. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?